Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Shazam on Snapchat. So if you don't have that feature yet, what you're gonna do first, you need to update your app to the latest version to in order to get access to the Shazam. So you can open up your Snapchat. One of the ways to actually do it, you could just hold your screen for a few moments, and Snapchat will scan for music lists for you, music list, or they will pick a song, or they will suggest a song so you can add it to your Snapchat, right? This is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it, you can just go ahead and click the search bar at the bottom right here. You're gonna see the search icon, and as you can see right here, you will see music. Click on music. You can select the music that you want to add to your Snapchat, and basically you'll be able to add it and share it with other friends, or just post it as a story. So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.